Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you a great tool to blow up your YouTube channel that is a must-have. If you're starting YouTube or you're already into YouTube and you want to get more views, more subscribers, more analytics, then this is the tool for you. It's called Tubebuddy. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. Now, Tubebuddy is basically a Chrome extension which you can easily slap on within minutes, and it does a number of features. I've just got the free version here right now, but I will be getting the paid version, and I'll be doing a lot of dabbling in it and getting a new video out very shortly on all the different features that it has. So let's just basically have a little overview about what Tubebuddy can do for you. So go to tubebuddy.com. You can go in here in the features. You see you've got everything from productivity to bulk processing, video SEO, promotion, data and research, which is a very, very powerful subcategory they have, especially their keyword tool, which we'll go over in just a little bit. So first off, let's go ahead and go to productivity, and you can see what all the stuff they can do here. So you've got everything from card templates, comment filters, you've even got emoji pickers, you've got end screen templates, notification commenting. I mean, the list goes on and on. You can do scheduled published, sunset videos, where you basically can schedule videos to be hidden and removed from playlists at certain times and dates, which is really powerful. You even got a thumbnail generator here as well. So, I mean, it's a basic all-in-one tool that if you're into YouTube, and even if you're starting out, it's a must-have. Now let's go into bulk processing. You can, I mean, the list is just endless here. You can bulk copy end screens, bulk delete cards, you can bulk thumbnail overlays. Let's go to video SEO. Now video SEO, again, very, very powerful. They've got a number of features. This keyword rank tracking, which is extremely powerful, especially if you got the free version. You can do a lot with that, and I'll show you just in a second how to use that to your full advantage. Suggested tags, tag explorer, tag lists. This is a very powerful one here. Video A/B test. Now what you can do with this one here is you can actually split test videos with different thumbnails. So you can kind of just play around, see which one works better, and kind of basically just keep on testing to improve the rankings and the click-through rates for your videos. Now you've got promotion here as well. And for promotions, you've got featured video promotions. You can feature any one of your videos across all of your videos. If you've got competitions, you can randomly select a user who's commented on one of your videos. They've got promotional materials, specialized links, all sorts of different things you can do. Share trackers, so you can share all across different social networks. And you can even get a subscriber outreach, so you can go to all your subscribers across all multiple social networks. So the last part, which is the data and research, which is what really got me excited about this. I mean, I know there's other tools out there, but by far this is the best one. I'm not going to go through it all, but feel free to browse it. And again, I will be doing a more detailed video once I've got the paid version tomorrow. So I'm going to dabble a lot in this and pretty much give the best tips and tricks as to how you can really grow your channel quickly, get more subscribers and more views. They've got Channelytics as well, which kind of shows the analytics on any YouTube channel you pick. It goes everything from demonetization audits, health reports, real-time sub counts. It is absolutely a phenomenal tool. So going back to the keyword tool, let's say you wanted to search how to get YouTube views. Let's go in here and see what happens. So you can see here that we have, this is the basic overlay on the side which you're going to get with the free account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go into the Tubebuddy dashboard. I'll go to the keyword explorer, and let's just type that in here now, and we can kind of compare to see how it matches up. So you can see how now overall score is poor, and you've got a search volume, which is pretty decent. Competition, it's pretty intense. And the optimization strength, it's very good. So what you can see here is that you've got a very high number of videos to compete with. I mean, 378 million videos. So If you're new and you're not going to get shown very often, especially if it's in the search. Now, if you were to go to target on the suggested, that's pretty much the best way to go, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Even if you're not, I mean, a lot of the views ends up coming from suggested. So once you get into this, you'll see that they'll give you options on different keywords and tags for getting into the suggested area instead of just focusing onto the search. So you can see here now, this is a poor score, so this is not really a great keyword to use. They've got related ones here, so let's see how to get YouTube views fast. Let's see how that goes. Okay, that's fair. It's getting a little bit better. So now again, we got the search volume, which is really good. The competition, well, this is basically based on how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. Now, again, this is poor, but the optimization is very high. So let's see what else we can get so we can get a good overall score. How to get YouTube views fast free. Now this one here is very good. So you can see here the search volume is not that great, but hey, we can live with that. It's not too ridiculously low. The competition, awesome. Optimization strength, very good. So you can see here now, this is a very good keyword to target. So now here we can go on to the results area. So you can see on the results, you can see that the top ranking channel is this one right here. And again, it goes through basically the live results of which videos are getting ranked the best. So again, guys, this is just a quick overview of the Keyword Explorer tool. Let me go into YouTube itself now and see what sort of information Tubebuddy can actually give you. So how to get YouTube views. Now, number one, this is a great channel, by the way, Brian Dean. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely go to subscribe to his channel. It's got some really cool info on video SEO, how to get ranked, even in Google as well. So let's go ahead and click on his video here, and let's see what comes up with Tubebuddy. So right here, the video analytics, you can see everything about his channel. How many views he's got, how many comments, how much total views the channel has. It even gives you best practices, what he has done, what he hasn't done. So info cards added, no. Comment pinned, no. So, and the tags as well. You can see here that you've got the top tags which he has used. So again, very powerful. It's free. You've got a free option. There is a very cool feature. If you're brand new to YouTube and you've got under 1,000 subscribers, you can actually get 50% discount on the Pro. So right here you can choose, I've got less than 1,000 subscribers. It drops down to $4.50 a month, which is basically peanuts for what this tool has to offer. It is absolutely phenomenal. Again, it is a Google Chrome extension. You can see it right here. It's just installed. It literally takes a minute to do so, and you can get all this information right at your fingertips. So again, guys, if you want to join, I've got a little link below here. Make sure you click on it, add it to your Chrome extension, and have a little play around with it. This is just an intro video. I am going to go a lot more in depth with this probably in the next few days after I've played around with the paid version. And hope you've enjoyed this and got some value out of it. Again, check it out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment any questions that you have. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.